This morning during my meditation, I was visualizing what Saturday's No King protest would look like when it's filled with the consciousness of peace. So I'd like for you to close your eyes and go within and see this with me. Millions gather for harmony, peace, love. The cosmic divine vibration of so many overflows onto the earth and up into the souls of all. A solar flash is felt and all is quiet for a moment. Massive amounts of humanity immediately feel compassion, feel love flowing through and around them. It is as if a veil has been lifted. We, us, humanity, take off our blinders and for the first time look at ourselves and each other through a new lens of understanding. We recognize that we all want the same things. We all want the security of food, clothing, and shelter. We all want to feel safe. And we now want so much more. We understand now that we, every human, regardless of race, gender, political affiliation, nationality, all of us deserve to live in harmony and peace with ourselves and with others. We no longer are willing to work just to survive. We now understand at a deep level we deserve more than just getting up, going to work, eating, going to bed, and then getting up to do it all over again. At this time, suddenly, we, as a collective of humanity, can look at each other and say, enough. We are not small. We are smart, and we deserve humans who, through working together, can create something more, much better than what we are being told. Right there on the streets, we realize that them will never move us forward. People put down the signs and stop yelling. People who are playing the roles of police, ICE, National Guard, take off this uniform of disguise. Everyone drops to their knees and says silent prayers of gratitude. Grateful for this new feeling of compassion and love for themselves and for everyone. From this higher vibration, all set up and look around. Rather than seeing us and them, they see we. Rather than feeling a need to protest, they feel empowered to create. It dawns on everyone their individual and collective power that they hold within their hearts. Each individual allows their heart to open up to great love They can feel the higher vibration that is surging through themselves and each other. Amazed, they all rise in unity, excited about what we can do together. Take this image of transformation. Put on your alarm, your calendar at 12:12 every day to know peace and start changing your reality, our reality, to that of harmony, love, and compassion for all.